What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Fox Den. Welcome back to the vlog. And today we're gonna go on a little expedition. We have a little day off today, so got nothing else to really do. So yeah, I haven't had the G37 out in about a week. Actually, it might be longer than that. So I decided I was gonna keep the G locked up for a while because this weather has just been so terrible. But I really want to drive it today, and I really would like to try and drift with all the snow we've got. So we're hopefully going to be doing that. I just hope I can find a parking lot to do it in. I have not actually drifted in this car yet, which is kind of the reason why I'm doing this. We may have a little something's happening next week, possibly, hopefully, and I want to get some drifting practice in the snow. So but either way, yeah, so yeah, I'm just gonna go on a little expedition, do that, and nice little vlog. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded on the G37 in a while. We've been working on other things, but there's not a lot to film on the G37 as of right now. There are a couple little things I want to do to it, which of course there will be a video on. But yeah, if you guys have not watched the other videos of the snowmobiles, I would really appreciate it if you check them out, because those are just as fun as the G37. So yeah, this car has been started in probably about a week. So let's see how it does. It is very cold today. I believe it's like 14 degrees. Well, it's been a while. There is the Q60 shifter, still working great and looks absolutely amazing. No problem, just like it was started yesterday. So I often get asked, how does the tune affect daily drivability, especially on really cold starts? And as you can see how cold it is. At least I think you can. It's 15 degrees out, 14 degrees out, give or take. And this thing has not been started in about a week, and it started right up, just like it was, as if it was started yesterday. It's a stock quality tune. You can't go wrong at admin tuning. People just hate on him. They hate on him. I don't know why. You really can't go wrong at all. You get what you pay for. If you're paying somebody that says, oh, I'll do it cheaper, and they do a half-assed job on your tune, I've run into somebody like that with the previous car. You're gonna have a bunch of problems. That's just how it is. You gotta find a good, reputable tuner who's got a lot of experience. Later on, we will be doing a video specifically on the admin tune. We'll be reviewing it. I'll answer a lot of questions I get about it and how it works, because that's the biggest question I always get. How do you get tuned?
Weather alert. Gale warning in about 15 miles.
We done? Yeah, that's the other biggest question, is how do I get tuned? I'm not in Texas. He does email tuning. We'll get into that in another video, but yeah, so I figured that'd be a good video to make. So anyway, today, hopefully we can get some drifting in. I am gonna head over to the Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball Stadium, also known as Standard Bank Stadium. Absolutely love this ballpark. I know a lot of you follow me on Instagram. You know that I'm really into hockey. Hockey's my favorite sport. I watch every hockey game that I possibly can. I'm also a big baseball fan. I have not been there in a while because of COVID, and I figure, you know what? Sunny out, lots of snow. Let's see if we can get a picture in front of it. And there is a parking lot there that is pretty empty, but there's one problem. If they literally have not plowed it all winter, we ain't drifting there. There'll be way too much snow. So we'll see what happens. If not, we'll try a different spot. We might try the Gaddles parking lot, which is the starting point for the meets as of now until something opens up there. And then there's one other place, but if we don't get any drifting in today, it is what it is, but hopefully we do. And we're moving. Oh yeah. Lots of snow since I have driven this thing last. And my mirror is folded in. Okay, we gotta fix that. Guys, this Q60 shifter is so nice. And what is a vlog without some cinematic shots? Roll the cinematic footage. Alright, can I make it out of my driveway? There's probably 2 inches of snow on it. No problem. Not in snow mode. What a wasteland. Look at all that damn snow. Oh my god, dude, it's on the road again. Well, it's only been a week. The car was so clean and now it's like, look at these roads. They're soaking wet. The car is immediately dirty. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Really hope we can get some drifting in. If anything else, we'll get a nice picture. But yeah, guys, this car, I just absolutely love this car. I mean, yeah, it's got its hiccups, you know, with maintenance and stuff like that. Especially, you know, when, you know, it's modified. It's just how it is. I know a lot of you probably saw on Instagram a week or 2 ago that I was thinking about selling this and just getting a WRX, because WRX is the project car I want to get. And I took the day and just kind of, you know, thought about, I'm like, what am I doing? So, don't worry, car's not going anywhere. The only way this car is going is if it catastrophically blows up, transmission goes, you know, something like that. It's not going anywhere. I don't know what I was thinking. This car is just freaking awesome, especially, you know, people who sell their G37s, they sell them too soon. Most people will sell them with stock cats, stock tune, and they're not happy with the car. People don't realize like what this car can actually do. Like, people are just, they quit too early on their G37, and it's sad. I mean, because if you have a tuned G37, even with just basic bolt-ons like I have, you know that this car absolutely freaking hauls ass, especially with the admin tune, which honestly the tune is really what brings this car out. God, I can't believe how nasty these roads are. Damn. But yeah, it's sad, really. Honestly, if my G didn't have almost 130,000 miles on it, and I had the money, I would absolutely boost it. I would throw a Sedan supercharger on it, something. I'd absolutely do it. I have thought about going E85, but in all honesty, I don't think I'm going to take it that far because of the fact that this car is partially my daily, and I don't want to be stuck on E85. Yes, you can install a flex fuel sensor, but it's just a pain in the ass. I don't want to deal with it. Honestly, right now, I'm happy with the car. It's especially fun in the winter because you get so much power with the cold air, with the still and long tubes. It's great. But anyway, hopefully we'll get some drifting in and get an awesome picture in front of Standard Bank Stadium. Can't talk. There it is. I forgot, it's called Ozinga Field now. There it is, boys. Lots of memories in this place. Love coming to the Thunderbolts games. So I'm looking at this lot, and doesn't really look like it's been plowed. I mean, actually, well, maybe it is, but I didn't see like a spot to really get in. So take a look. I think we'll go ahead and knock out the picture first, though. Let's pull over here. Let's give this a shot. All right, so I got some pictures. There it is, and hopefully next summer things will be kind of back to normal. I really like to go to a game. I've been coming here longest time. So it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to drift over here. There's too many nosy people, and I don't even know if I can get in there. So we're going to head out of here and try to find a different spot. If we don't get any drifting in, not really the end of the world, but it would be cool. So we'll see what happens. Can honestly just kind of drifted a little bit on these streets and how bad they are. Jeez. We won't do that. So I'll catch you guys if I find another spot. Maybe next spot we'll get more pictures. We'll see. Yeah, this is what we do. This is what I do on a day that I don't have anything else to do. So some of you may know that those back roads at Crestwood, especially by the stadium, not the best area. And I actually had a guy drive up to me. He was like, "You alright?" And he seemed kind of like, I don't know, suspicious. I'm like, "Yep." That's when I left. I was done anyway, so what the fuck is this guy doing? Oh yeah, you're driving a Torrent or Equinox, whatever the hell it is. You're so fucking fast. So now we're gonna head over to the Orland area. Maybe we'll run into my guy Moogie, who knows, and get some drifting in over somewhere over there. Guys, so I'm looking around here, and yeah, I don't think it's doable. There's plenty of snow, but I actually went behind this old Kmart, whatever it used to be, and wasn't really able to get anything going. There's too much snow. We're gonna end up getting stuck. God, this is terrible. So that sucks. Yeah, I mean, this is just too much snow. The problem is, since the car is lowered now, it scrapes on everything that's, you know, especially snow. There's just nowhere to, you really can't do anything. There's a cop over there anyway. Yeah, a little disappointed, but I have one more spot I'm gonna take a look at. But even so, like, if it hasn't been plowed at all, like, the best time to drift is right after the storm happens. So, and that's not really the case here. Or actually, not right after so much, but during the storm. So I'll get back to you guys. All right, guys, the good old, well, what used to be Gaddle's parking lot comes in clutch again. This looks like it'll do. We'll do a quick drift. It has to be quick because there's a lot of cops that drive down the street. I did find another spot, but there was too much snow. Not worth it. I'm gonna end up getting stuck because these aren't exactly winter tires I have on this thing. So we'll try to do this real quick, and yeah, get the hell out of here. Well, that worked a lot better than I expected. This is actually the first time I've drifted the G officially. It drifts, I don't know if it's just because it's really icy, but it drifts way, way easier than my old Acura RDX did, and I think that's because the all-wheel drive system on the RDX was better at handling snow, but also these aren't exactly winter tires on this thing, so it spun real good, drifts real nice, and yeah, dude, looks pretty good in the snow, doesn't it? I would say so. For God's sakes, dude, though, probably 25 minutes worth of driving though, and it's absolutely filthy already, so that blows. So I'm gonna have to keep it dirty, because if we do what we were planning on doing next week, it's gonna get dirty again, so there's no point in washing it. But yeah, shout out to the old Gaddles parking lot. Came up clutch, and it doesn't look like I was the first one to drift here. I could think of quite a few people that probably were drifting here before. Not going to mention any names. Look how awesome that freaking car is in the snow. That's just so awesome. Well, yeah, guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. It was kind of boring up until the end, of course. But yeah, I appreciate you guys watching as always, and looking forward to next week. Hopefully, it'll actually go down. That's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at SolarFoxG37. Don't forget to follow our new racing club at SolarFox Racing Group, and subscribe to join the Fox Pack today. Remember, life is too short to stay stuck, and it's only illegal if you get caught. Stay foxy. Okay, let's do a little in-person drift, because I'm sure you guys want to see that. Or first-person point of view drift, that is. Wow, I think I did it better than I did it for the video there. Should we end the video with the pool? I guess so. Alright. Oh, shifted way too early. Yeah, that'll be the end of that. I still got snow on my tires.